Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Lock Sport update. This is a really fun video series that I run every single Saturday, and it serves as a great place for me to update the community on anything that I've been working on, and it also serves as a really great place for the community to update everyone on what they've been working on. As always, if you have any updates at all that you would like to see shared next week, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'd really love to try to share them. I'm going to start off this week's Lock Sport update by highlighting a channel that goes by Halfzipp. Halfzipp's a pretty cool channel, and what he's recently done is he's been really trying to push himself to pick a lot more cool and challenging locks. What he has just picked is the Anker Miwa 3800 lock. This lock has only been picked by a handful of people. He's super proud of the accomplishment. What I'm going to do is share it with you right now.
Hey, you're watching Halfzipp, the Lockpicking Welder. On today's episode, I'm going to be picking and gutting this Anker Miwa 3800, or Anker Miwa 3800. This is a hybrid lock. It uses both magnetic sliders and dimple pins. It's made by Miwa from Japan and Anker's Loft from the Netherlands. It's quite a lock. This is a black belt level lock, and it's also a Hall of Fame lock because it has the two separate locking mechanisms. I'm going to be using two tension wrenches for this. One of them at the beginning just to tension it clockwise for the dimple pins, and then the second tension wrench, once I've got all the dimple pins set, I need to be able to back off the tension, or tension it basically in the opposite direction, and with the one tension wrench it's just going to fall out. But we'll see that later when I get to it. I'm also using these Honest Dongshi dimple picks. It's a little bit, I guess, heavier. It's a little bit thicker. In this case, it kind of works out because I don't know, these pins seem to be a little bit stiff, so the stronger dimple pick. Oh my god. Third time ever on video.
Thank you so much for checking out Halfzipp, and thank you again for checking out this really cool pick and gut that he did. If you would like to see this video on his channel, what I'm going to do is put a link in the video description below so you can watch the whole video. But if you want to help support his channel, see more of his content, and just see what he's all about, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link on the top here so you can check him out, consider subscribing. The next channel I'm going to mention is going to be Pocket Women. Pocket Women is a really cool channel, and it is really cool to see all of the women getting involved in lock sport. We are seeing more and more each day, and I just wanted to say that that is a really cool thing. So what happened with Pocket Women is she has recently reached a new milestone. She has just reached 300 subscribers. She is super excited about it. I just wanted to share it with everyone. What I'm going to do right now is just share a quick clip from her channel, and you can check her out taking apart a master lock, lockout, tagout.
Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Tuesday. On Tuesdays we do lockout, tagout, lock Tuesdays. Lotto Lock Tuesdays. Put the hashtag Lotto Lock Tuesdays on your videos so when we do the search it comes up sweet and we can find it. This series was started so that we can feature the locks that keep our workers safe. We explode them, we explore them, we pick them, we attempt to pick them, we talk about them, we show them off. It's a pretty fun series. Lotto locks are pretty special. One, they save lives, and two, they're a really fun pick. Spools, lots of them. If you want to learn spools, grab yourself a lockout, tagout lock. Good cores. Companies have to put good cores in them because of the OH safety laws. You have to have good cause. So we end up with the best of the best in lockout, tagout locks. This is what we're talking about today. This is the one I tried to pick earlier in my last video and I couldn't do it. It's too crudded up, it's too crusty. So we think it's the 400B keyweight. So I said I'd come home and I'd explode it. Okay.
Thank you so much for checking out Pocket Woman, and if you enjoyed what you saw and you'd like to see more videos by her, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check her out and consider subscribing. Every subscription makes such a big difference. I just want to say thank you to everyone that helped support Pocket Woman. She's a really great person. Now, the next channel I'm going to mention is going to be Beginner Lockpicking Diaries. As I've mentioned in a few updates, he's been going through a few medical problems, he's been having a lot of nerve pain, and he's been really trying to get better so he can get back into the sport. He is so happy to see all of his subscribers that have been loyal and have been really giving him all the support, even though he hasn't been able to make any content as of recently. I just want to say that he has reported that he's starting to feel a little bit better. He's been put on a new treatment plan. I just want to say that it's really great to see. I really love how we support our own, and I'm really looking forward to seeing Beginner Lockpicking Diaries next video. If you're not familiar with him already and you'd like to consider showing him some of your support, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The next channel I'm going to share is going to be the last channel that I'll share this week. This is a channel that was shared to me a little while ago and it has 11 subscribers. The channel goes by Hayden the Lockpicking Kid. It is really cool to see some younger people getting involved in lock sport. It is such a fun sport to learn and it is just a really great community. What I'm going to do right now is share a quick clip from Hayden's channel.
Hi, my name's the Lockpicking Kid, and today I am going to be picking this HGWVA lock. Today for you guys, my dad has had this lock in the shed for like a couple of years now, and as you see, the barrel right there is a bit broken. I'm going to be picking it right now. Put the tension wrench in and pick it. Pick it, alright? There we go. Pick the look, I'll do it again. It's in. Get the tension wrench in, the one that fits. There we go. Lock's open. So there you go.
Thank you so much for checking out Hayden the Lockpicking Kid. If you enjoyed the video that you saw and you'd like to see more content by them, what I'm going to do is put a link on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. Currently this channel only has one video and I'm not exactly sure what their future plans are, but either way it is really cool to see a more diverse population of people getting involved in lock sport. But as always, I'd just like to say to everyone, thank you again to everyone that checks out this video every week and helps support all of these smaller channels. Every subscription makes such a big difference, and it's really great to see the community come together as a whole and how we just support one another. I'm really excited to see how LockSport will grow in 2020. And I just want to say this has been a really great year, and I just want to say thank you to everyone that's helped support my channel and has made it what it is today. I really enjoy what I do. I love making great how-to videos and just trying to be a great member of the community. I love seeing all of these new channels pop up every day, and I really enjoy just being part of the community. So I'm really looking forward to 2020, seeing where LockSport will grow, and I just want to say thank you to everyone for the great year. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, as always, please drop them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next Saturday.